Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from general and common words. Start. According to a group of economic experts and researchers, the number of landless peasants in Pakistan has almost doubled. Full stop. This was disclosed at a symposium, which was organized to suggest measures regarding various areas of the economy to help in finalization of the sixth five-year plan. Full stop. It was also observed that the land reforms had not succeeded in coming up to the expectations and that farmers were dependent on landlords to a great degree. Full stop. The meeting also pointed to the very high number of uneconomic land holdings in the country, it being suggested that up to 90% of total cultivable land is accounted for by uneconomic land holdings. Full stop. While considerable reservations must be expressed about this latter observation in the light of the successes, which some Asian countries have achieved with small farms, it is certainly true that the other facts pointed out at the symposium deserve close attention. Full stop. Concern has been expressed from time to time at the pattern of land distribution. Full stop. In fact, a telling comment was made at the symposium when it was stated that about 2 million farmers are awaiting order from the government giving them possession over land acquired after the land reforms. Full stop. The pattern of distribution of land holdings has a major impact on rural poverty, and it is very disturbing to know that the number of landless peasants has doubled. Full stop.